So this is the website for the University of Jena, the Friedrich Schiller University Jena. And at Friedrich Schiller University, you can study either a master program, or bachelor program, or a PhD degree. And in order for the purpose of today's video, I only want to show you how to apply for the English Taught Master Program. And the application for the master program started the 1st of April. So that's about 3 weeks ago. All you have to do is to navigate from the university website, click on studies. And if you click on studies, this page that is in front of me will load up. And then you can click on application. You can click on study program in order to first sort out, to filter which programs are going to be taught in English or in German language. So here I'm going to select that I'm searching for a master program, and you can see that they have about 74 master programs in total. And I'm going to filter this down again by the language. You can see that out of the 74, about 15 are being taught in English and the 63 are in German language. So I'm going to click on the one that says English, and you can see the 15 different programs that are taught in English. You can see that we have about chemistry or business mathematics, chemistry of material science, we have economics, English and American studies, evolution, ecology and systematics, international organization and crisis management. And in the department, in the faculty of mathematics or of life science, they have mathematics, medical photonics, microbiology, molecular life sciences, and molecular medicine. And we have photonics, physics, and psychology. So if you are looking to study a master program that is taught in English and that the tuition fee is 0, then you might want to navigate to this website for the University of Jena. So let's, for instance, that we click on the one that says molecular life sciences. You can see that it's a 4-semester program. Most of the programs that are master program in Germany are usually 4 semesters. You can decide to finish in 3 semesters or in 6 semesters. That depends on you. You can see that the tuition fee, it says none. And the semester contribution, if you've watched any of my other videos, you will observe that I've explained what is meant by semester contribution, which is just 265 euros. The semester contributions is to your student union contribution, which allows you free access to buses and to regional trains. And with this, you can also access the library and some other benefits that comes with having a student pass. And you can see that most of the programs that I showed you that are taught in English are mostly winter semester program. So if I click on another, let's assume we go back to the one that says mathematics. You can see also that is the same semester contribution. This one is either taught in winter or in the summer semester. And it's going to be taught in English or German for the mathematics. So it seems if you choose winter, it might be English language. If you choose summer semester, then it might be in German. So let's see for the people that want to study psychology. So if you click on psychology, you can see it also in English or in German. That's interesting, even though we filtered by English taught programs alone. If we click on economics, for instance, you can also see that this is just in English, the same amount of semester contribution, irrespective of the department, and it's a winter semester, and it's possible for you to study this in part-time. So if you want to work while you're studying, you can be able to do this in part-time. They say it's possible. And what are the admission requirements? Usually for most of the applications into this university, it always required that you prepare a CV, you have an entrance qualification certificate, which is that you finished a bachelor degree. So that's previous university degree hand. You have your transcript of record. You cannot make a successful application without your transcript of record. And at the same time, you need proof of language proficiency. Usually this language proficiency is usually IELTS, TOEFL, or any other type of English exam. I've explained in one of the videos that I made several months ago That's for it. This was also required when I made my application in the year 2013. However, because the language in my country for studying is in English, I wrote to the course coordinator if I could use the language of instruction. You can see alternatively, official certificate confirming English as language of instruction is also accepted. So that's what I used for my application because I couldn't afford to pay the IELTS exam, the fee for the exam then. So I just got the medium of instruction certificate from my university, which cost me then around 1,500 naira. I don't know how much now they will charge if you go to your university to get such certificates. You need the proof of your grading system. So when you apply for your transcript of record, it's best that you should also ask them to please provide you the proof of grading system for your university. I attached this to the other documents that I submitted for my application because this made the people that will be assessing your application to know what is categorized as A or as pass or as fail. It gives them the idea of what percentage of the grade is categorized in those classifications. That's why they need a proof of grading system. And every other document that is on the different website, please make sure that you collate these documents together. Sometimes when you finish making your application, they will let you know that you need to send this by post, that they need an hard copy. You need to DHL or FedEx it to the university, to the specific address for the department you're applying to. And the other thing I want to show you is that at the University of Jena, you don't have to pay for admission or you don't have to pay for Uni-Assist because you apply directly to the university. And this, if I go back here to study, so here where it says application and enrollment, if you click on it, you can see that it will show you the study program database. So here for application for higher semester in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, as well as for some master program degree, please use the Fridolin 2.0 applicant portal. So this is the portal you will use in making your application. First, you register. Once you have registered, you can then apply. How do you register? You just click on give me a few seconds to check. Okay, click here to say register. Do you already have an account? No. Continue online with registration. So if you don't have an account already, you create one by clicking OK. And now you can register. Once you register, it will give you this information to fill in, and then you can create a password and then click register at the base. You will receive a confirmation email for you to confirm your confirm the registration, and then you can begin to make the necessary application by selecting from the drop down menu the program you want to study, and it will ask you to fill in the different documents, and that is how to apply. What about the application deadline for this program? Since I mentioned that the application started the 1st of April. If you check the university website, they have this document that explain that application period for winter semester, it started from the 1st of April until asterisk. The asterisk is because the date is different between someone that is an EU national or a German citizen and the applicant that is an international student. So you can see if you are a German applicant, your deadline for application is the 15th of September, which is just a month to the beginning of the semester. And if you're an international, you can see that the 15th of July is the application deadline. And remember, out of these 74 programs, only 15 of them are taught in English. So for instance, we have here this one for, let me see, I think we have for, let me see the study program again when we had, so that we can, okay, so for instance, for the biochemistry, this application deadline for biochemistry is this biochemistry, Master of Arts. So I should go to Master of Science for biochemistry. Yeah, Master of Science. So let's go to the part that says Master of Science. Yes. So here you can see that the application deadline for biochemistry, it says here Niched possible. Applying for first semester not possible. So maybe they've scrapped that particular course. Okay, let's check another one from the 15. Economics. For economics, it's also saying that, this is interesting. Okay, this is different. This is because I'm in this for this summer semester. That's why I couldn't find. I was a bit scared that why am I having that on my list. Okay, Master of Science. Okay, so for the winter semester, you can see that for economics, the deadline for the application for the Master of Economics is on the 15th of July. For the chemistry, it's the 15th of July. Oh, no, sorry, for the biochemistry, it's the 31st of May. If you're applying as an international student, don't wait for this July application deadline. That might not make your application to be successful, because if you are submitting your application by 15th of July, you need time to be able to apply for your visa in order to start the program that will start in October. So I would recommend that if you are watching this video today, make your application before the end of May, or possible the mid of May, because sometimes they assess the application and as it arrives for each student, and they make decision. So I wish you all the best for your application. Do not forget, don't let anybody scam you. You do not need to pay any agent or anyone to make your application for you. All you just have to do is to navigate to the study program, to the university page, click on studies. If you find this program you want to enroll into, then prepare your documents and then go to the Freedolin 2.0 to register and then make your application. And it is this portal and the information that the email you've used that you will use to assess the progress of your application, if they want you to upload any extra documents. And I wish you all the best, and until next time, bye bye.